Today we're going to explore a style that many people love because it feels warm, comfortable, and naturally beautiful. This style is often described as modern rustic. I like to call it refined rustic. Rustic interiors are not about making a home feel old or overly country. Instead, they focus on natural materials, warmth, and a sense of authenticity that makes the home feel welcoming and relaxed. When rustic elements are used thoughtfully, they can create rooms that feel both elegant and deeply comfortable, especially when you refine them. In today's design session, we're going to look at the elements that give rustic interiors their beautiful character and how you can bring these ideas into your own home. Number 1. Natural wood as the foundation. One of the most recognizable elements of rustic design is wood. Rustic interiors often feature wood with visible grain, knots, and texture. This may include wooden beams, coffee table, dining tables, or cabinetry. The beauty of natural wood is that it brings warmth and character into any space. Even one well-chosen wooden piece can help anchor a room and give it that relaxed, rustic charm. But when combined with refined accessories, the look is perfection. 2. Layered neutral textures. Rustic rooms that are professionally designed almost always include multiple layers of texture, like linen curtains, wool or cotton throws, woven baskets, jute or natural fiber rugs, and ceramic pottery. These textures make a space feel warm and comfortable without needing strong colors. Even a simple room can feel sophisticated when textures are layered thoughtfully. Even when the colors are simple, texture keeps the space interesting and inviting. 4. Natural stone elements. Stone is another material that often appears in rustic interiors. Fireplaces, stone accents, or decorative pieces made from natural stone add an earthy and grounded feeling, and it looks so beautiful. Stone pairs beautifully with wood, soft textiles, creating a balanced and timeless look. 5. Comfortable, livable furniture. Rustic homes are meant to feel welcoming. Furniture is usually comfortable and substantial rather than delicate or formal. Soft upholstered chairs, inviting sofas, and solid wood tables all contribute to a feeling of relaxation. The goal here is to create spaces where people naturally want to sit down, gather, and spend time together. The longer, the better. 6. Simple materials. Rustic beauty often comes from materials that feel authentic and unpretentious. Instead of glossy or highly polished finishes, you'll often see matte textures, weathered wood, and handcrafted pieces. With some refined accessories, you can have the refined rustic. These materials give the home a sense of history and character. They remind us of that beauty that can be found in simplicity. 7. Vintage or collected pieces. Rustic interiors often include items that feel collected over time. This might be a vintage cabinet, an antique bowl, or a piece of artwork discovered while traveling. These personal elements make a home feel unique and meaningful, rather than everything matching perfectly. Rustic homes often feel layered and oh so personal. 8. Warm and layered lighting. Lighting plays an important role in creating the cozy feeling rustic homes are known for. Table lamps, warm light bulbs, lantern-style fixtures, and soft ambient lighting all contribute to the atmosphere. Bringing nature indoors. 9. Rustic interiors often incorporate natural elements such as greenery, branches, or simple floral arrangements. Plants soften a room and reinforce the connection to nature. Even a simple arrangement of greenery in a ceramic vase can bring life and freshness to any rustic space. 10. A sense of comfort and simplicity. Perhaps the most important element of rustic beauty is the feeling it creates. Rustic homes feel relaxed, comfortable, and lived in. They are not about perfection. Instead, they celebrate natural materials, simple beauty, and spaces that make people feel at ease. When these elements come together, the result is a home that feels both timeless and deeply welcoming. Modern rustic or refined rustic reminds us that a home doesn't need to feel formal or complicated to be beautiful. Often, the most inviting homes are the ones that celebrate natural materials, warm textures, and spaces designed for comfort and connection. Refined rustic reminds us that a home doesn't need to feel formal or complicated to be beautiful. Often, the most inviting homes are the ones that celebrate natural materials, warm textures, and spaces designed for comfort and connection. By focusing on simplicity, authenticity, and warmth, refined rustic interiors create environments that feel both elegant and welcoming. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're trying to grow our community, and with your help, we can do it. It just takes your subscription. It's free. Please comment and let me know what you want to see in this channel in the future. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.